bona omplotsi 15 nomsho ez amiteine katete mbarasite ubure kutungame yawe haza kandi kwinena plotsi nunje zindi omyanya mirungi amhanda yona erukutaha no kushoro muri mbarasi Bushenyi Road omchiyeje miliyoni 5 na Kashaka miliyoni 10 Masaka Road Robiyenje ya Haspira miliyoni 23 na Kanyarye miliyoni 8 Kabare Road Omurcece miliyoni 5 hamwe na Karamo mukategura miliyoni 8 Ibanda Road Ishanyo miliyoni 15 na Ibanda Town miliyoni 25 no basa kushashura hetreka echa pasenti ya 30 rere zirasugare oshashura hagati ya meza 3 nyabura we ija office zeitumbara Chosiga House Mackenzie Street omanye biri kuchira esimu not mushanju atari na mkaga 85 Amity Realtors Limited.
Okarona ndeba Muhango TV kusana kwakira ninya Justice Omuhango webale kufollowinga kana nokutukunda tonturonda akufa ko mucyaro kumanyanka bakamucungura omucyaro ogu obwatwasibo mbichweka bya Bushenyi oguturukora tension iki omucyaro g'abaturage mbagira ngwagurize kibanza miliyoni 25 kahereze kutuguza yakwataka sente yakabika wabenanda kombeka mwene nchiro umuntu aburumbere yakosa omuhoro yakwata omukikurogu emyaka nkaga nene y'obukuru agurize kibanza yamukwata yamutema yamwita abanze yamutema omutwe yamutema ibondo ebyenda byashohora omukikurogu abataruwe abayino omutabani bamutemera omukono gwo wacweka abayino omwizukuru bamutemera omutwe era abaturage bomba jangu afire konka report ya police negira ngo akiriyo mwirwaro erya Komboni okuza kushoma misha so omukazi ogwa afire kingero zo kubuza banja ngo umuntu abaguzere kibanze icyo bariyo mukodomi abikibanze cyo bakigurire munyanya mwena benanda munyanya tore hihi na nyina zara nikirebuka ngu omutemogu ningo mushumogu nafunira makuru ngo mukikuru akasente katahamu nuko kuzayo ningira ngo aki so nuko kwata omuhoro akatema omukikurogu akamwita obwa hata kurira police negira ngo mubiri gwo mukikurogu ryo mwirwaro erya Bushenyi rukumanka Komboni akurira abaturage ahantu bagira ngo bamanyire muntu no hayisire erushani bakwasire rushani bakwata butambi tinka biteka ya because me violating rights na YouTube ne basa kuyiyayo but for now akurira police statement yabasa kwane shohoza na terra hesumu arugambira police omugureta Bushenyi arukumanywa nka superintendent of police tayebwa Apollo report ya negirete najangu police omuri Bushenyi yatanche kwane rondereza akufa ko mukazi hamwe na okugezaho kwita abandi babiri abatakafiro gwa hata bari mwirwaro kana jango kibiro shayibirize kiro omurekanya mitera sel bitoma town council omuri Bushenyi district akurira mukuru nagira ngo kurendereza nukoreka ngo muntu abira rye nyuma yekikorwa eki akozisha omuhoro yarumba family y'abantu bashatu yatandika kubatematema obabire barumba teka ekyo kurya kandi afira kumanyanka bamucungura Edisa abaliyo emyaka nkaga nena eyobukuru kandi abandi babiri babase kwamba funa injuries ezamani munonga babirukanzyo mwirwaro erya Komboni okufuna obuzanzabi police ebase kwane ikamwanya kureba buri kimwe cyona ko kukibase kwane kitambura era mbagira nanombirwa gwo mugenzi batandishe kwamba gwetegereza kwenda kumanya niki ekirigiroho okufa na nenteka yona ko kwe kutambura era police negira mubatandishe kwamba rondereza okumanya nbahi ababe bari nyuma yokufa ko mukikurogo hamwe na nokutematema omutabani na abizukuru police yazumira ekikorwa cyobutemu obu kana nokutwara amateka omungaro era police yahamya abaturage uneza gukora cyone kikubasika okurenga omuntu ogwayisire bamucungura Edisa bamukwata kandi bamukome obwa hati basaba abantu ninga public okubahereza amakuru gona agokwata aha muntu ogu abase kuba nakora ekikorwa cy'obutemuko aho mbatureba ninga bokufollowinga ejo niye statement ya riga police omission inza kuzanira amaraka aga superintendent of police tayebwa Apple arukushobora ahanteka ejo omukazi woko niko kafira atyo abatuze babase kwambikaho nabo kwerebera ebiro kandi na polisi yayikaho yagamba hanteekateekezo nk'okuzibiiraho hamwe na n'okufa kw'omukyalo ogwo mbwenu kwakoine amakuru goona ag'okukwata aha bintu byona ebibiro kwakoine amakuru goona ag'okukwata akufa kw'omukyalo ogwo kwakoine amakuru ag'okukwata aha muntu aba ari enyuma y'ekikorwa ekyo basa kuba nomanyisa polisi ninga basa kuba nogihereza information egyo kandi omuntu ogwe akwatwe.
The Territorial Police in Bushenyi District is investigating circumstances surrounding 2 cases of murder and attempted murder that occurred on 31st May 2026 at about 8 p.m. in Kanyamitera Cell, Bitoma Town Council, Bushenyi District. Preliminary findings so far indicate that suspect armed with a panga attacked 3 people at their home while they were preparing supper. The attack resulted in the death of Bam Chungura Edisa, 64-year-old female, at the scene, while 2 other victims sustained injuries and were rushed to Kombon Hospital for treatment. Police promptly responded and managed the scene as per the standard procedure. We conveyed the deceased's body to Kombon Hospital pending postmortem examination. Investigations are ongoing to identify and apprehend the suspect who fled the scene and establish the motive behind the attack. We urge anyone with information that may assist the investigations to report to the nearest police station. We strongly condemn such acts of criminality and lawlessness, and we pledge to always deal with them without any leniency. Whereas we pledge to accordingly keep the general public updated in case of any new developments, we condole with the bereaved family and we wish that the soul of the deceased should rest in eternal peace.
Amity Realtors buys and sells farmlands, commercial and residential plots strategically located along main roads leading into and out of Mbarara City, including Masaka Kampala Road, Visionary Estate Kanyareli, just 1 kilometer of tarmac at 8 million 50 by 100 feet. Kamatarisi Estate, 4 kilometers of tarmac, 4.5 million 50 by 100. Rancheru Rendama Estate, also 4 kilometers of tarmac, 4.5 million only. Bushenyi Road, Kashaka Estate, right in Kashaka Town, touching tarmac, 10 million 50 by 100 feet. Rishasha Estate on Chitabi Students Monument touches tarmac at 8 million 50 by 100. Chienje Estate at mile 8 just off tarmac, yours for 8 and 6 million 50 by 100. Kabale Road, Yesu Awilile Estate, Omkategura, only 2 kilometers from tarmac, 8 million 50 by 100. Rocheche Estate, mile 6, 1.8 kilometers of tarmac, great value at 5 million 50 by 100. Chibingo Estate, Nyakasa Village, 2 kilometers of tarmac, 50 by 100 for 5 million. Isinjira Road, Kabelebele Town Estate, just 1 kilometer from tarmac, premium plots at 15 million 50 by 100. Ibanda Road, Ishanyu Estate, mile 4, touches tarmac, prime spot at 20 million 50 by 100. Ibanda Town Estate, in town, 50 by 100 at 25 million. You can make a down payment of 30% and pay the balance in 3 to 4 months and enter Tunguka na Amity scheme. For more information, please call 0777 56 45 88 or 0772 26 56 52 or 0755 28 28 98 or visit our offices in Mbarara City, Mackenzie Street, first floor, room 305.